Hello, thanks, welcome for watching this video. Thanks. And I wanted to explain this video of how to install indicators with template to MT5, and this is really very easy. So now what you have to do first is you have to understand that you have for example, we have a 5 trading strategy of indicators and with template trading in volatility indexes in binary.com or deriv.com. We are in 2021, the first month of the year. So you will have this folder, and first you must extract the folder. Okay, when you extract the folder, you must copy the whole folder, right click and copy. And you know the folder contains all indicators and templates, but why we are copying all the folder? Because we want to have all the indicators in our platform, in our MetaTrader 5. So when you copy, you have to open your MetaTrader 5 and then click File, click Open, and then click MQL5, and then open indicators, then place here, right click, and then click paste. So you have your indicators, then close, and then I already have it and deleted, but right now I have to refresh it because I wanted to have it again. Right click and refresh. So nothing is changing. I will have these indicators at all. So let us wait for the refreshment. Okay, we are waiting still. So my friends, it is very simple. The first thing first I always like to tell you is, if you wanted to drag and drop every indicator into the main chart, you can do it, but I made it very simple for you when you wanted to have boom and crash strategy, and when you want to have a volatility strategy in your main chart. So when you have this indicator, you must not do anything else. Go on the main chart, right click, and then click template, and then say load template. So your folder is in desktop, and then right click your folder and select path strategy. So do you want a boom and crash strategy? If yes, click here and then select this one. This is the boom and crash strategy. You don't need to worry everything. If you have the indicators here, okay, you have to load your template into the main chart. Open the asset you want, don't worry. For example, I want crash 500 or crash 1000, one of them. And then when you click, then right click in the main chart, click template, then you click load, and then choose the destination or place where you have already saved it, the source. Okay, click the folder contains all your requirement tools, then click or select it. Okay, for example, I want to boom and crash. Okay, I click boom and crash. That's it. From now on, I see time and time we will have some notification. So I'm not explaining the strategy right now, so I'm going to show you how to install only your indicators and templates. So now let us add volatility index. So let us open one of my favorite asset in volatility index, volatility 75, and then right click in the main chart, select the template, then select the load template, then I select where I have saved it, my required templates, then I click volatility, then I click only template to that is all. You don't need to drag and drop all indicators because you have the template already. That is what you should do, what you will do. And then we will start how these two strategies work in 2021. They are very simple to understand and make money. If you understand these strategies, I hope you can make money. So guys, if you're interested to learn these strategies, we have a 5 days training strategy class on Zoom webinar. Please click on the WhatsApp and Telegram channel or link below the video on YouTube. Thanks guys and welcome.